Lunar Eclipse. The Earth moves between the Sun and the Moon, blocking the Sun's light and causing the Moon to glow red. Umbra, the dark inner portion of the shadow cone. Penumbra, the lighter outer portion of the shadow. Definition: lunar eclipses happen only on full moon days, when the Earth moves between Sun and Moon, and the three celestial bodies form a straight line: Moon, Earth, and Sun. Let us learn about different types of lunar eclipses. There are technically three types of lunar eclipses: penumbral lunar eclipse, partial lunar eclipse, and total lunar eclipse. Penumbral lunar eclipse. The moon passes through Earth's penumbral shadow. In the diagram on the right hand side, you can see the moon in the penumbral shadow of the Earth. Partial lunar eclipse. A portion of the moon passes through Earth's umbral shadow. In the below diagram on the right hand side, you can see the moon being partially in the Earth's umbral shadow. Total lunar eclipse. The entire moon passes through Earth's umbra shadow. In the below diagram, you can see the moon in the umbral shadow of the Earth. Why is it that during total eclipse the moon is not black but rather typically a dark blood red color? The moon may turn red colored during the total eclipse. When moon is in total shadow, the red moon is possible because some light from the sun passes through Earth's atmosphere and is bent towards the moon. While other colors in the spectrum are blocked and scattered by Earth's atmosphere, red light tends to make it through easier. The effect is to cast all the planets' sunrises and sunsets on the moon. In the below diagram, you can see the same representation. Partial lunar eclipse. It occurs when the moon does not fully move into the umbra region. Penumbral lunar eclipse. When the moon passes only through the penumbra or partial shadow. They are barely visible. Total lunar eclipse occurs when the moon passes completely into the umbra or total shadow of the Earth. On the right hand side, you can see the same representation of a total lunar eclipse which happened in 2007. The first row shows the beginning of the eclipse and the last row shows the ending of the lunar eclipse. How often do lunar eclipses occur? Well, lunar eclipses occur 3 to 4 times a year. Of those, only 1 or 2 are total lunar eclipses. The remainder are partial or penumbral in nature. Also keep in mind that eclipses are not visible everywhere.